You're welcome to Digital Cloud channel. Today's video, I'll be taking you through how you can start earning between $100 and $1,500 per day with CPA marketing. There are so many CPA platforms out there that you can actually use to start making money, like CPA Grip, CPA Lead, CPA Build, and so on like that. But for the purpose of today's tutorial, we'll be using CPA Grip. For you to access this website, I'll take you there. This is CPA Grip. For you to access this website, you have to go and register with the website. Still loading. So this is CPA Grip platform. So for you to access this website, like I said earlier, all you have to literally do is to go and fill in all your necessary information. Your first name, your last name, the company, your website. This one is not compulsory. Then the street address, the country, the city, like that. So after you must have filled in all your necessary information, you have to confirm this. I have read and understand. You have to agree with the terms and services, like that. Then you click register. After you must have registered, a confirmation email will be sent into your email box. Then you confirm your email and your account will be activated. Okay, so once your account is activated, let me take you to my account. This is my account right here because I've registered. There's a platform, CPA Grip. This is the dashboard here. On the dashboard, you will see statistics and charts, monetization tool, offer tools, postback tools, and the rest of it. So this is the dashboard, right? On this dashboard, you will see recently added offers for different countries and different payouts. The top performing offers as well for different countries and different payouts. If you hover your mouse over the flag, you'll see the names of the countries. This is New Zealand. This is that's New Zealand. This is Britain. This is United States. Sorry, these are all United States offers. So if you go to the left hand side of the dashboard, you will see the monetization tools. That's the content locker, the URL file lockers, and the video lockers. Then you go to the offer tools. The offer tool, that's where you have your offers. The offers that you have to complete. Okay, as you can see, these are my offers. It's always good for you to go through first-tier countries. That's like United States, Germany, Russia, Australia. These are the list of offers we have on the dashboard. So these are the list of available offers for different countries. I mean for USA. You have for mobile Android, email zip, for email zip submit. So grab your $10,000 now. You also have for desktop, email zip submit. Like that. So what you have to do now is to check the offer. This is the offer. I said grab your $10,000 now. payout is $2. This is the domain. These are the list of domains that you can use. This offer is only available, you can only complete this offer on mobile Android. That's email submit. The person that will complete this offer is expected to submit his email and his zip code. After he must have submitted it and filled the form, he will be paid $2.06. So the next thing we have to do now is to copy this link like this, and you have to prepare a landing page, because you cannot use your offer. You cannot promote a blank affiliate link. You need to make a landing page like what you have here. This is a sample of a landing page, as you can see. Here is my link. So get your free mentors. This is a sample of a landing page prepared with Linktree. So the next thing you have to do is to pick your affiliate link, copy your affiliate link, and paste it in your landing page. After you must have prepared your landing page, the next thing is to go and promote this offer. So I'm going to take you to a free website that you can use in promoting your offer. The name of the website is called classifiedads.com. This is it, classifiedads.com. This platform actually gets a whole lot of traffic every month. People come to this website to promote their products. People come to this website to look for jobs, to look for services. As you can see, say for rents, vehicles, people come here to sell their vehicles, pets, personals, items for sale, jobs like that. So you have a whole lot of traffic coming to this website every month. So for you to promote your offer, you go to let me explain better to you. This is a free classified website, so you can actually promote your offer on this website without paying a dime, and you have a whole lot of people coming to this website. You go to post an ad free. As you can see, say create your free ads. Select category. From there you select the category. So before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, click the like button and click the notification bell so that when we produce the next video, you'll get notified. Thank you. So as I was saying, this is a free website. You select the category, you go to the community, select the subcategory, and you go to free stuff. You put in your zip on the country zip 10016. Then you add the title. Then you go back to your CPA offer. Pick the title, grab your $10,000 now. Grab your $10,000 now. Now free. The asking price is free. Then you put a very good description. Go back to your offer. So as you can see, you now put your description. Enter your mobile, a very good description. Enter your mobile number to grab and win one $10,000 offer for the first 50 people to complete this offer. I'm only using this as an example. Then you go to your landing page URL, you pick it, you pick the URL, you copy the URL, like this, and go back to your description and paste it here. So instead of you pasting the link directly, you can use your as I was saying, instead of using your link, pasting your link directly, you can just use the hyperlink here and paste it inside and click OK. And like that. So if anybody visit this page, after they must have read the description and they click this, it will redirect them to your offer, like that. So the next thing, so put in your name, so the next thing is for you to put your name, your email address, as you can see, the email address, the phone number, as the city Los Angeles, the zip code, expires in 6 months, that's 6 month duration, like that. The capture, then you include your image, and the next thing you post the ad. So that's all. Now you must have posted the ad. The ad will appear on the front page. So as you can see, say your ad has been posted. Grab your $10,000 now. So these are the details of the ad. So that is it. With this, you can easily get good traffic to your offer. So that is it for now. Thank you very much.